If you want to uninstall iTunes because you want to reinstall it or because it's taking too much space, then watch this tutorial to learn how to uninstall iTunes in a quick and easy way. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. First, open the Start menu. Open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Apps and Features section. Locate iTunes. Click on the little dots to open the iTunes app options. Click on Advanced Options. Look for the Reset section. First, press Uninstall. The iTunes app and its related data will be uninstalled. Press Uninstall again. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.